Empty bottles on the table, party hats beside our chairs, city blinking in the distance, cold thin mountain air, smoke still hanging over rooftops, stray confetti on my coat. We're laughing at the year behind us, breath like little clouds that float. Slowly fading fireworks in the Cordillera sky, colors dripping into daylight while the last shots say goodbye. Raise your glass to what we're keeping, let the rest fall and expire. Here at New Year's Age we're watching all our years like sparks from a slowly fading firework. Car horns quiet on the hillside, roosters start to greet the sun. Half the bar is finally on and half still swears the night's not done. You lean in and start remembering names and faces, wins and scars. Phones are full of blurry moments from 1,000 falling stars. It's the in-between I'm feeling, where the night won't quite let go, when the sky is bruised and glowing, soft and silver, pink and gold. If we stumble toward tomorrow, hands still sticky from desire, we'll be laughing, we'll be crying, both are welcome around this fire. It's the in-between I'm feeling, where the night won't quite let go, the sky is bruised and glowing, soft and silver, pink and gold. If we stumble toward tomorrow, hands still sticky from desire, we'll be laughing, we'll be crying, both are welcome round this fire.